everyone. This is Sanchita from grade 9 getting connected with all of you.
This is Iman of grade 9 getting connected with you.
I am Zinia of grade 6.
I too is an aspirant learner of IPS and I am Irfa from grade 5.
Tomorrow is a very special day for Ipsites. You know why?
Come on, don't hold me in suspense. Tell me please.
Can't you even guess?
How can I? Our school is such a wonderful place with so many fun-filled learning activities happening each day. So you definitely need to give me a clue.
Is it freedom quest or is it march past competition or jewelry designing? Please open the mystery box. I am eagerly wanting to know what is it.
Okay, I'll break the ice for you. Tell me, what is the most important step to understand any subject and deliver it without any flaws?
I guess good command over language, vocabulary, fluency, and accuracy.
And how do you develop that good command?
Techniques like dictation, proper understanding of the words in different contexts assembled, writing through coda method, analytical writing through PETAL technique, and visualization for script writing, which happens only at the IPS campus.
Yes, my dear friend, you have rightly guessed.
Our teachers have assembled different techniques of scientific learning language and are ready with a fun learning tool to ingrain fundamentals of life-sustaining language learning, which makes the girls of IPS from experiential learning to experimental learning, and that includes no rote memorization of spellings, understanding words through phonetic transcription so that spellings never go wrong.
Scrabble and scramble up with bigger words and make a new volley of new words. And many more new techniques which I would want you all to experience, enjoy and gain mastery over language to make subject learning a great work.
Let me tell you girls, IPS is the harbinger of competency-driven learning. Come and be a part of such delightful education beyond classroom learning experience to become a competent global citizen of the century.